Hello traders, welcome to my video. Over the last few months, I have been very busy to creating our trading course Trade Like Clever and Beat the Market. We have successfully published the course few days ago. If you are interested, you can check it out from our video description. And from today, we will continue to publish video like before. Now I want to teach you a strategy that is very good risk and reward ratio for crypto traders. I discovered this strategy using a combination of 3 indicators and it works very well with most of the time frame. And you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. For today's strategy, I want to use C98 USDT as my asset, and remember, you have to must select your asset and platform from here, otherwise the price could not sync with your market price and it could be a reason for the trade fail. So my platform is Binance and C98 is my asset and USDT perpetual, that means future contract. Simply click to add on my chart and the time frame I select from here 15 minutes. So now I have to add our today's 3 indicators. So first indicator I want to add from trading view, the indicator name is EMA, and the second indicator is support and resistance, and I will give all the indicator details in my video description, and you can see support and resistance by last algo. So I simply click to add on my chart. And third indicator we need, the indicator name is crypto trader, so you will get the indicator for free from our website. So I simply write here signalhunts.com. Also I will provide our website link in the video description. So this is our website signalhunts.com. so you have to scroll down and from here you can see our file section and you have to go indicator, and from here number 1 indicator name is crypto trader. So I simply click here and I have to copy all the code from here. So I simply copy the code, and from the trading view I simply go find editor and clear everything and paste the code over here, Ctrl V, and simply add to chart. Okay, after a few you can see our indicator is applied successfully from our website. So now I have to setting the 3 indicator for catch the accurate signal. So first go with EMA. So we need 200 period EMA. So I simply go input and from here simply change the length to 200 and simply change the color to yellow and simply change the thickness as well. Okay, and for support and resistance level I simply go the setting and from here input everything will be default, and from style tab I simply change the color to white and also change the support color to white, and I uncheck everything. So I think I should reduce the thickness. I also reduce the thickness for this one as well. Okay, so now I need to change my third indicator crypto trader. So I simply click the setting and from here I just need bar color. I no need the EMA, day open, S1, S2, I don't need anything. And also I have to change this precious as well, and from input period it's very important. We need the EMA uptrend value 20 and simply save. Alright, we have successfully add and setting up our today's 3 indicator and it's ready to catch signal. So now let's introduce the indicator momentum. How to you can generate buy and sell signal using the 3 indicator combination. For buy signal, if the price crossing up the 200 period EMA, and the same time if we get green signal from crypto trader indicator, we take long position and the stop loss will be previous candle swing low and the profit target will be 1 time, 2 times and 3 times from the stop loss. For example, in this trade you can see we get green signal from crypto trader indicator, but the price is still below 200 EMA. So we will wait, and after a few you can see the price is crossing up the 200 EMA, and here our buy signal. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be before candle swing low, and the profit target will be 1 times, 2 times, and 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, this trade is successfully hit our profit target 1, profit target 2, and profit target 3, and it's count as a successful trade. So now let's go with another example. In this trade you can see we get red signal from crypto trader indicator, but the price is still above 200 EMA, so we avoid this trade. And after few you can see another green signal from crypto traders indicator, and the price is still above the 200 EMA, so it's another buy signal. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be before candles swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, this trade is also hitting our profit target 1, profit target 2, and profit target 3. It's also count as another successful trade. But you have to remember another thing. You can see in here a strong support level. If the price reject from the support level and the crypto traders give us a red signal, we will exit our trade, otherwise the trade will be also fail. So now let's see how we can generate sell signal. For the sell signal, if the price is stay below 200 EMA, and if we get red signal from crypto traders indicator, we take short position, and our stop loss will be the first red candle swing high, and the profit target will be 1 times, 2 times, and 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, this trade is hitting our profit target 1, profit target 2, even profit target 3. So it's count as another successful trade. And after a few, you can see in here another red signal from crypto traders indicator. So we take short position in here, and the stop loss will be the first red candle swing high, and the profit target will be 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times from the stop loss. And you can see this trade is also hitting all the profit targets, so it's count as another successful trade. So hope you guys understand how you can generate buy and sell signal using the 3 indicator combination. So now I want to backtest this strategy in front of you to see end of the day this strategy is really profitable or not. So for backtest this strategy, we need the backtest sheet. So you will get the backtest sheet from our website signalhunts.com, and from here you have to scroll down, and from here you can see from our file section you will get the backtest sheet. Also I will provide the backtest sheet link in my video description, and simply download the sheet. Okay, the sheet is successfully downloaded, and simply click to open our sheet and simply enable the editing panel. Now I have to set the account balance, so I simply keep it 1000 my capital, and right now the leverage is 20x. I think it's a very risky, so I simply change to 15 for this strategy. And this column we have to provide all the profit and loss percentage, then we will get the win rate and total profit, and also we can see how many trade is hitting our target and how many hitting stop loss as well. So let's start backtesting. So guys, using this strategy we are backtest in 50 times, and you can see after 50 times of backtest this strategy we get the win rate of this backtest 78%. This strategy is a very good risk and reward ratio, and you can see very small amount of money we will lose, but we earn a huge amount of profit. So guys, hope you understand how to you can generate buy and sell signal using our strategy. So thanks for watching. See you with you next one.